almost 11 million homes are being fed by lead pipes, and no amount of lead in your water is good for individuals. So the idea is, what do you replace those pipes with? And you don't want to replace the lead pipes with something else that you have to go and unbury for the next, let's say, 10, 15 years. We have a setup that accelerates this aging, and we could do that in 4 to 6 months. Get the same kind of effects that you would have for a pipe that has degraded for 25, 50, 100 years, and have that same feature in the next 4 to 6 months. And that enables us to be able to figure out what happens to the pipe and helps the pipe manufacturers to design better pipe for longer use in your households. I chose the University of Minnesota because of its excellent polymer science program, its world ranking faculty mentors. It's just like a blessing to me to be able to be in those spaces, to be able to converse with these people, to be able to get what knowledge they can pass down to me, and have me use that in my research, which makes me a better researcher. That's why I chose the University of Minnesota, specifically the College of Science and Engineering.